Presenting Fed-on air curtain that's safe, hygienic, and economical. Designed exclusively for open doors and entrances. Installing the air curtain is a very simple and quick process. With high air speed and low noise levels, it's perfectly suitable for entryways of restaurants, malls, warehouses, food industries, and pharma companies, among others. Moreover, the air curtain effectively retains the inside temperature and prevents the ingress of dust and insects, and is totally low on maintenance. Fed-on air curtains, now available in a variety of sizes and models.